Ready to discover, laugh, and learn? Let's begin.
Perplexed. Meaning, confused or puzzled. Synonyms, bewildered, confounded, baffled. Antonyms, clear, understandable, enlightened. Example: when Rena tried to assemble the complicated furniture, she was completely perplexed, but she found a helpful video that made everything clear. Serendipity. Meaning, finding something valuable or delightful when you weren't expecting it. Synonyms, luck, chance, fortune. Antonyms, misfortune, bad luck, unfortunate event. Example: I casually mentioned about my startup to a friendly stranger at a cafe. Serendipitously, that stranger turned out to be an investor eager to learn more about my business venture. Intriguing. Meaning, arousing one's curiosity or interest, fascinating. Synonyms, captivating, engrossing, compelling. Antonyms, boring, tedious, uninteresting. Example: the old book contained an intriguing story that kept me up all night. Inevitable. Meaning, certain to happen, unavoidable. Synonyms, unavoidable, unpreventable, unstoppable. Antonyms, avoidable, preventable, controllable. Example: change is the only inevitable part of life. Embrace it with an open heart.
Why did the intriguing potato always attend Patty's parties? Because it wanted to be serendipitously discovered in a perplexing game of potato hide and seek, leaving everyone inevitably puzzled and amused. Two perplexed tomatoes were having a chat. One tomato said, "I met a serendipitous potato yesterday." The other tomato replied, "Potatoes are inevitable in this veggie garden, but that's intriguing. Did you both get all mashed up?"
Embrace the perplexing moments, for it's within these tangles of life that serendipity inevitably reveals the most intriguing paths. By Anonymous. Life is a perplexing journey filled with intriguing moments, inevitable surprises, serendipitous encounters, and a perplexed cat trying to figure it all out. By Anonymous.
Life is a perplexing maze, filled with intriguing surprises and inevitable serendipity. It's a lot like finding a potato in a field of mashed peas.
Story. Hilarious contraption. Sam, a young inventor, was in his cluttered garage, creating a machine to solve life's issues. He found strange components. He was perplexed, but added them to the machine, thinking, why not? When he turned it on, it produced intriguing things, sizzling pizzas, singing parrots, and dancing dinosaurs. Sam realized, life's most moments are often due to serendipitous, inevitable surprises. Story. Inevitable Serendipity Cafe. In a small town, an intriguing event unfolded at the Inevitable Serendipity Cafe. The owner, Mr. Perkins, was always perplexed by the peculiar daily customers. He discovered that they were alien tourists having insatiable cravings for Earth's weirdest foods. The aliens loved dishes like serendipitous spaghetti ice cream and perplexing pineapple pizza. They found the combinations cosmic delicacy. Inevitably, the cafe became a sensation among the extraterrestrials. Stay curious, stay witty. Let's unravel the magic of language together. Thank you for embarking on this thrilling language adventure with us. Remember, the more you practice, the more English you'll devour like a word-hungry detective. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's our secret ingredient for YouTube to share our videos with fellow word enthusiasts. Let's continue our vocabulary expedition and transform the world into a linguistic wonderland.